Deep in hidden labs and government vaults, a silent revolution is detonating right now. Machines that laugh at the limits of classical computing, solving problems in hours that would take our most powerful supercomputers longer than the age of the universe. This isn't science fiction. This is 2026. Nations are racing with billions on the line. Fortune 100 companies are signing massive contracts. Breakthroughs are hitting weekly. And the stocks at the heart of this quantum tsunami, they're not waiting for 2030. They're igniting today. But here's the urgent truth. The window for early believers is closing fast. Backlogs are exploding, systems are shipping, and commercial adoption is accelerating at warp speed. Miss this moment and you'll watch from the sidelines as a new generation of quantum millionaires is minted. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on my top 3 quantum stocks to buy right now, packed with the latest Q4 FI 2025 and early 2026 developments, financial firepower, backlogs, and why the optimism has never burned hotter. Buckle up. This could be the most profitable story you hear all year. Let's dive deep into the quantum future. 1. IonQ, IonQ, the trapped ion titan dominating the quantum race. Imagine a company that didn't just enter the quantum arena. It redefined the battlefield. IonQ stands as the pure-play leader, harnessing trapped ion technology to build scalable, high-fidelity quantum systems that are already delivering real commercial value. This is the high-conviction rocket for investors chasing explosive, asymmetric upside in the quantum revolution. In Q4 2025, IonQ delivered a jaw-dropping $61.9 million in revenue, a staggering 429% year-over-year surge, smashing expectations. For the full year 2025, they shattered records with $130 million in revenue, up 202% YOY, crossing the historic $100 million milestone as the first pure-play quantum company to do so. Over 60% came from commercial customers, with international sales exceeding 30%, proof that quantum is moving from labs to boardrooms globally. The momentum is unrelenting. For 2026, IonQ guided $225 to $245 million in revenue, with Q1 expected at $48 to $51 million. Their $370 million backlog, remaining performance obligations at year-end 2025, nearly 5x higher than the prior year, provides massive visibility and firepower for sustained hypergrowth. Picture the drama. They're advancing toward a 256-qubit system by late 2026, pushing fault-tolerant horizons, securing DARPA programs, and executing strategic moves like the Skywater acquisition for vertical integration. With a fortress balance sheet and full-stack platform evolution, IonQ isn't just participating, it's leading the charge. Volatility is real in this frontier, but the storytelling here screams urgency today and life-changing optimism for tomorrow. Position yourself now before the next leg up. 2. Rigetti Computing, RGTI, the superconducting chiplet warrior scaling hardware breakthroughs. Enter the high-stakes arena of superconducting quantum hardware, where Rigetti Computing is engineering modular magic with its chiplet approach, building some of the largest, most scalable systems on the planet. This is the bold innovator's pick. High risk, sky-high reward as they translate technical leaps into commercial dominance. In Q4 2025, Rigetti reported revenues around $1.9 million with ongoing R&D aggression. But the real excitement lies in the roadmap and deployments. They've rolled out the CFuse 1-108Q, a powerhouse multi-chip system from 12 9-qubit chiplets, targeting impressive fidelities near 99.5%. Major wins include an $8.4 million contract with India's CDAC for a 108-qubit on-premises system, deployment in H2 2026, plus Navara QPU orders totaling $5.7 million with shipments driving strong Q1 2026 revenue growth. Their in-house Fab 1 and hybrid quantum classical focus position them perfectly for the coming wave, with a solid cash position providing runway. Rigetti is shipping systems, entering new markets like Japan, and advancing toward larger-scale machines. This isn't distant promise. It's hardware hitting the field now. For investors who crave the dramatic thrill of technological breakthroughs fueling stock surges, Rigetti delivers that perfect blend of immediate urgency and exponential long-term optimism. 3. D-Wave Quantum, QBTS. Now feel the pulse of real-world utility. D-Wave Quantum isn't waiting for perfect fault tolerance. It's already solving optimization problems that matter today with its quantum annealing systems, while boldly expanding into gate model through strategic moves. This is the commercial pragmatist with massive enterprise pull. Q4 FY 2025 revenue hit $2.8 million, up 19% YOY, contributing to a record full-year $24.6 million, an explosive 179% increase from 2024. Bookings showed volatility but included massive highlights like a €10 million deal for Advantage 2 capacity in Italy. Early 2026 momentum is electric. Over $30 million in new deals, including a $20 million system sale to Florida Atlantic University and a $10 million two-year QCAS agreement with a Fortune 100 company. D-Wave sales pipeline has surged nearly 1,500% year-over-year, fueled by practical applications in logistics, AI, and more. Their acquisition of Quantum Circuits Incorporated adds gate model capabilities, creating a unique dual-platform powerhouse. With strong cash reserves and growing on-premises plus cloud traction, D-Wave is turning quantum from hype into hard revenue reality. This stock carries the dramatic urgency of proven commercial wins paired with the optimistic upside of technological expansion, a compelling story for believers in near-term quantum impact. The quantum era isn't approaching, it's exploding around us right now. IonQ for pure trapped ion leadership and hypergrowth. Rigetti for superconducting hardware breakthroughs at scale. D-Wave for commercial traction and versatile innovation. Backlogs are swelling, contracts are landing, governments and enterprises are all in, and the technical milestones are accelerating weekly. This is your moment. The revolution rewards the bold who act with urgency. Do your own research, assess your risk tolerance. Quantum investing is volatile and forward-looking, but understand this. Fortunes are being built on these frontiers. Drop your top quantum pick in the comments below. Smash that like button if you're quantum bullish for 2026 and beyond. And subscribe with notifications on for more deep dive updates. The future is quantum powered. Let's ride this wave together and build lasting wealth. I'll see you in the next video.